you know what are acronyms in English language? Acronyms means an acronym is a word formed from the first letter of a group of words and it is pronounced as a single word. An acronym is an abbreviation made from the initial letters of a phrase and pronounced as a word, like NASA, 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 National Aeronautic and Space Administration. Right? Do you understand what I'm saying? Let's have some more examples. UNESCO. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. So, in NASA, we can say that N stands for National, A stands for Aeronautics, S stands for Space, and again A stands for Administration. Same way for UNESCO, United, U stands for United, N stands for Nation, E stands for Educational, and S stands for Scientific, and C stands for Cultural, O stands for Organization. So here you can say that they have taken the initial letters of the words, and by organizing the initial letters of these words they have made a single word which is called acronym. Acronyms are having their own place in spoken language. Let's see some more examples. UNICEF. You must have heard about these words which I am discussing with you. So UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Right? So moreover we can say that NATO. Have you heard about the NATO before? You must have heard, because this is very famous word, and these days that unrest is increasing in the world and countries are fighting with each other. So the NATO forces have played a vital role for creating the peace in the world. NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Next word is laser. Laser, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Right? So you must understand that acronyms are having a great place in spoken communication skills. Right? So we must understand that if we are saying that abbreviations are created or short forms are created, because these play an important role in our spoken or communication skills. Right? Radar. You must have heard about the word radar, radio detection and ranging. Right? So you can say that DRDO is also there. D stands for defense, R for research, and D for development, and O for organization. So acronyms plays a vital role while we speak in English language, but we must know about the full form of these words. Then it is beneficial to use these type of acronyms. But if you are not aware about the full form, then you must search for it and you must learn about the full form of these words. Then it will sharpen your English communication skills. Alright, so ISRO is there. If you see in India, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Alright, so in this way we can say that acronyms are the part of English language. Right? These are actually not the part of the English language, but in spoken, or you can say that in communicative terms, these are important, so that we can say that they are the part of vocabulary, word formation, abbreviations, technical and professional communication. Why acronyms are used? The question is, or you can say that the question can be raised, that why acronyms are used in our spoken language. So we can say that these are acronyms, which the benefits of acronyms are save time in writing and speaking, right? If we speak like Indian Space Research Organization, it consumes much time to speak than ISRO, right? Even same in the written language, if you write ISRO ISRO, it will consume uh, less time, but if you write Indian Space and Research Organization, it will consume much time. So that's why we can say that it saves time while speaking and writing. And second one is make long names easier to remember. Improve communication in business, science, technology, medicine, education, and government. Right? So these are the benefits of using acronyms, and uh, let's see some acronyms which we use in our day-to-day life. Right? That is PIN, personal identification number, PIN number, right? SIM, we use SIMs in our smartphones, right? So SIM is stands for subscriber identity module, right? Wi-Fi, we all know that what is Wi-Fi. These days Wi-Fi is common in all the world, and we all are having Wi-Fi connection in our homes for accessing the internet. We can say PDF document, that stands for portable document format. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Hi, it is the programming language which is used to design or develop the front end part of a website. Hypertext markup language, HTML, and we can say that use URL. URL means a uniform resource locator, right? USB plugs. Even we are having pen drives which use the term USB. USB means universal serial bus. Universal serial bus, right? Acronym is a shortened word created from the initial letters of a longer name or phrase and pronounced as a word. So acronyms are having an important place while we speak in English language.